Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Monday, May 5th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can earn $200 while you're sleeping. No experience needed. This is a great opportunity. But before I get into that, if you've never seen any of my videos before, I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 plus years. I've been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it is my true passion to help people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing, okay? So I found this new opportunity where you can earn $200 even while you're sleeping. No experience needed. It's newbie friendly, and anybody can do this, okay? Now, if you've seen my videos before, you know that I am very involved in direct mail / postcard opportunities, okay? I just love them. It's my favorite way to market. It works very, very well. In fact, back here I have a bag full of letters and postcards that I'm going to be taking to the post office here shortly. My wife is starting to mail out postcards as well. And it's just a fun opportunity, okay? It's just a fun way to market, I should say. So when I'm looking for an opportunity, I'm looking for an owner and admin who I can trust, who I have a connection with, who I vibe with, okay? And this particular gentleman who owns this company is called Instant Pay 24/7. He's been involved in the industry for over 30 years now. He was a top 5 earner in 3 different companies. His best day ever was $45,000. And he's a Christian family man. And, it just doesn't get any better than that. And I've talked to him several times now, and he's a legit person. He, like he told me, he puts his people before money, which is awesome. I've reached out to him a couple times, and he's gotten back to me. So that's what I look for when I join a new opportunity, is somebody that I can trust, and an opportunity where not only does it resonate with me, but something that I'll be proud to share with other people, okay? And that's what I find with Instant Pay 24/7. So, Warren Buffett always said, if you can't find a way to make money while you're sleeping, you're going to work until the day you die. And I don't want that for me, and I don't want that for you, all right? Everybody deserves to have a good life and to live the best life possible. And you can do that when you put in the work, show up every day, stay consistent, and take massive action, all right? You can do that, all right? I can't guarantee anything because it's all based on your work ethic, but you can have a good life if you're willing to put in the work. And most people aren't willing to put in that work. They dream about all the fancy things and nice things, but for some reason they just don't have it in them to do the work to get to where they want to be. And it's kind of sad, really. But with Instant Pay 24/7, you're going to earn $200 commissions paid instantly to you. All right, you can set up your payment options however you want. You can take mail and money orders if you wish, and I do, because I still love getting checks in the mailbox. But you can also get paid instantly to your Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, Stripe account, Wise account, MassPay, PayPal, however you want to get paid, you can get paid. And it's instant, okay? So you don't have to wait around for weeks or months to get paid. What you get when you join this opportunity, you get some really good digital products, all right? You're also going to get a free upgrade into the owner's other staple program, which is a $595 value, and it allows you to earn $500 commissions, okay? So it's a no-brainer to join this. And it's only a one-time payment. That's the cool thing why I love this opportunity, is because it's a one-time payment. There's no monthly fees or ever any other expenses other than buying postcards if you're going to market with postcards, and of course having leads. But we provide, we have resources for all that. We even have resources for your stamps. All right, so you don't have to worry about anything. You just join the opportunity, and then I'm here to help you out. All right, if you're willing to help yourself. So I'm pulling into the shop. My wife is actually, I gotta give my wife something out of the truck really quick. And then I'll be right Please give me 1 minute. That's right back here.
Oh,
if you want to grab it. Yep.
It's just there's one little.
I'm doing my video.
Oh,
So.
I'm sorry.
No, that's good. I don't
Hi,
know
everybody.
if I don't know if I can get out. Oh dear. Hold on. Sorry about this.
Sorry, guys.
Bear with us. There we go. Is that it?
Yep, that's
Okay.
it. Thank you.
Yep. All right, so I lost my train of thought. Sorry about that. But yeah, this is just a fun opportunity especially if you're new. If you're new and never done any postcard marketing before, direct mail still works. In fact, it works. It has higher conversion rates than email marketing, and it's fun to do. It's fun to do, right? So what I do is I do a combination. I'll show you a combination of social media marketing. I focus on Facebook and YouTube, and then I do direct mail marketing. Okay, so my wife has gotten into this now, and these are her stack of postcards that are going out today. And then I have several of these big old stacks of letters that I'm going to be mailing out today. All right, and it just works. I mean, you get really good results if you stay consistent with this and follow exactly what I teach people how to do. All right, that is creating content on Facebook and YouTube and mailing, doing your mailings. All right, so if you join me in any opportunity, you get a resource page I put together. It has over 80 different places to share these opportunities online. 99% of them are free. You're going to get the exact same letter template that I use in all my weekly mailings, and you're going to get my contact information so you can reach out to me anytime you have any questions or need any help. And if you want more information about Instant Pay 24/7, you can go to $200profits.com, $200profits.com. There'll be a link down below this video. And of course, you can always go to my Join Russ page and click on the first tab as well, joinruss.com. All right. But I highly recommend just go there, check out the video. All right. You're going to have to enter your information, check out the video, and you're going to be pleasantly surprised. All right. I can guarantee you that, because this is a great opportunity. Again, I don't join just every program that comes out. American Bill Money, which I'm a part of, has been around for the last 22 years. Cash Building Systems Unlimited has been around for the last 10 years. And the owner admin of this opportunity has been around in the industry for the last 30 plus years, okay? Now, this program just launched less than 2 months ago, but it's a really good program, all right? So go to $200profits.com, check out the video, reach out to me if you have any questions, and I can help you earn $200 while you're sleeping. No experience necessary. You just have to be willing to show up every day, stay committed, put in the work, and stay consistent, okay? So with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.